Hey everyone! In today's video, I want to share the top 10 timeless investing principles I learned from reading the classic stock picking guide, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, by Philipfisher. Published way back in 1958, this book remains one of the most influential investing books of all time. It pioneered the idea of qualitative growth stock analysis, and many of Fisher's strategies are still used by top investors today. Let's learn Fisher's top 10 lessons for picking winning growth stocks. Make sure to keep watching because I'll wrap up with 3 actionable tips you can implement right away to improve your finances and a secret scavenger hunt question, so keep watching. Alright, let's dive right in. Lesson 1. Invest in high-quality growth companies. The core of Fisher's philosophy is to identify and invest in elite, well-managed growth companies that can compound earnings over the long term. He wasn't afraid to pay a premium for these winners. Lesson 2. Thoroughly research the business. Fisher stressed the need to conduct in-depth qualitative research on a company's products, management, culture, and competitive advantages before investing. Don't just rely on numbers. Lesson 3. Find companies with strong management. One of the most important traits Fisher looked for was skilled, shareholder-focused management teams. Great managers ensure sustained innovation and smart capital allocation. Lesson 4. Seek firms with proprietary advantages. Look for companies with hard-to-replicate advantages like patents, brands, scale, or distribution power that can fend off competition for years to come. Lesson 5. Find growth industries. Fisher sought emerging, rapid growth industries with years of runway ahead versus slow-growth mature sectors. Identify long-term trends and secular growth markets. Lesson 6. Consider buying smaller growing companies. In addition to blue chips, Fisher suggested mid-size fast growers can generate outsized returns before they graduate to mega-cap status. If you've learned something, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to level up your finance game. Now let's get back to it. Lesson 7. Diversify across at least 5 stocks. Fisher knew even the best research can't eliminate individual stock risk. He advocated owning a diversified portfolio of at least 5 stocks across sectors to mitigate volatility. Lesson 8. Spot temporary company setbacks. Occasional stumbles present a buying opportunity in quality growth stocks. Fisher pounced when the market overreacted to short-term issues or lack of earnings guidance. Lesson 9. Run your portfolio like a business. Fisher stressed thinking like a business owner when investing rather than a stock speculator. This focus on underlying company fundamentals leads to sound decisions. Lesson 10. Remain patient and flexible. Fisher knew investing success requires patience and flexibility. Stay nimble to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise in dynamic markets. There you have it, 10 rock-solid investing principles from growth stock pioneer Philipfisher. Now here are 3 simple tips to improve your stock picking process, inspired by Fisher's philosophy. 1. Widen your research outside mainstream financial statements and include qualitative factors like management and trends. 2. Start building a watch list of quality, well-run growth companies to research further and potentially invest in. 3. Focus on your long-term investing mindset versus obsessing over short-term market swings. Tune out the noise. Now let's tackle the scavenger hunt question in Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. By Philipfisher, the author identifies 5 key attributes that investors should look for in companies with exceptional growth potential. What are the 5 key attributes? Drop it in the comments below. Alright guys, that wraps up the key lessons from this classic investing book. Let me know in the comments which Fisher principle or tip you found most useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more investing content. Check out the link in the description to grab a copy of Fisher's timeless guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.